Hey my beautiful people, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am making white mac and cheese. It's cheesy, delicious, quick and easy. I'm excited. Let's get started right now. The first thing I am doing is I'm going to grate the cheese and set it aside. I am going to boil the pasta and set it aside. Feel free to use your favorite pasta. This is what I'm using. I have heavy cream on low heat on the stove. I am adding a little seasoned salt and black pepper. Feel free to add some chicken bouillon. I am mixing this well. I will let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am adding half of the grated cheese. I have the pasta in a baking dish. Next, I am adding the rest of the cheese and the sauce. I also added some cheese and some sauce on the top. This is what the mac and cheese looked like right out of the oven. It was cheesy and so delicious. I had this with some honey chipotle wings. And let me tell you, it was the perfect combo. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.